Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody on Facebook sent me this file. I asked them to send me the file because they needed some help. And when I opened it, I noticed these are all grouped together. But also, if you go to view, they're looking at it in wireframe. If you look at it in normal, there's a problem there. So let's go back to wireframe for a second. Let's go to Object and ungroup object. And now I can see a group of two objects on one layer. So I'm going to ungroup those two objects. And there you have it. You had two sets of lines on top of each other. Now if we look at it in enhanced mode, you should be good to go. And you are. I'm going to change it to red. But whenever this happens, what I would do, just to make double sure before you waste time to cutting, not only is it going to take twice as long to cut, you're going to get a burn if you do it this way. What I would do in this particular case, this item is 6.148. I would change my nudge factor to 7, and I would use the Smart Fill tool on that outside edge. And what it's doing, it's giving me a black fill with a red hairline. And I'm going to fill in that right there, and I'm going to nudge it over. And then I'm going to left click no fill. Now, for sure, you just have one hairline because the Smart Fill tool is taking care of it. That should cut out without any problem. That was an easy fix. Hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.